Hello and welcome to how to create a flyer using Canva. The first steps is finding the For You tab in the home page and then finding flyer. Here we can use different templates if desired and insert different titles and elements. So when you first go to Canva, this is what you see, and we can find the For You tab right here. And underneath there's a bunch of different presets such as videos, presentations, posts, etc. But today we're going to be using a flyer. So going ahead and clicking on flyer right here. When we open that, there's a bunch of different templates on the left for different flyers. And underneath templates is elements, which is a bunch of different stickers, graphics, photos, videos, audio. This is where you can insert all of those. Underneath that is uploads, where you can just upload your own media, such as videos and photos. Text is where you can add headings, subheadings, and paragraphs. An additional text if you'd like to add more with cool fonts. More is where there's photos, styles, audio, video, backgrounds, emojis, other things that you can add in. The second step would be how to use the templates, how to add some elements in text, how to insert personal photos, and finally figure out which ones you'd like to use and inserting them in. So finally creating the flyer, I want to do a beach cleanup flyer, so I kind of went with the template that had something to do with that. And once you click and drag in your template, you can just go ahead and edit the text from here or the background, or even delete the background and add in your own, which is what I ended up doing. So then going to uploads, clicking and dragging in one, made it a little bit brighter. And then we can as well go in and edit the font of the text, the size of the text, or even the color, which is what I ended up doing to make it go with the new background. And then we're going to go in and just add in our information. So we're starting with maybe your company or something like that at the top, and then the bigger text is what you want your flyer to display the most. So this is a beach cleanup. And then underneath that is a little more information. So I'm just saying that all the tools and buckets are available. Bring water, snacks, or friends. And underneath that, going to add a little more specific information, including the date, time, and location. Or any information that corresponds with your specific flyer. And finally, underneath that, it's always good to add in some contact information. This can include either a phone number or an email. And after we have all our information in, we can go in and add some elements. So I like to use a frame. That's where you can go in and add your own image to a particular shape. I'm going to click and drag in this circle and resize it to the spot that I want. And then going to uploads and going in and clicking in a photo that has to do with the beach cleanup. And then maybe going in and adding a little sticker. So going back to elements, just searching up beach or whatever matches your theme. Going in, clicking and dragging one in that you like and resizing it to a spot. And there you go. There's your flyer, and you can add in anything else. Final steps: export and share. Click share, and then from here you have the options of downloading, sharing on social media, printing, and more, such as QR code or link. So going to share over here, you can see this opens a tab where you can copy the link. Below you can click download. Download to PNG, JPEG, PDF, MP4 video, GIF. This is where you can also print it with paper if you save it this way. Here you can share on social media, so there's a bunch of different social media platforms such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. And then right below that, you can print your design on a bunch of different hoodies, tote bags, stickers. Cool spot. And then right underneath that is more, where you can copy to clipboard. Here's that QR code, saved folder, and a bunch of different other options. So going in and downloading the flyer, I'm just going to go click download, just do PDF, and then simply click download, and it will load for a little minute. And there you go. There is your flyer, our Kailua beach cleanup. And there you go. That's how to create a flyer using Canva.